A Costa Rica adventure awaits you. Costa Rica is one of the hottest eco destinations of the year. Book a trip with Green Journeys Inc. travel agency. You will visit Costa Rica's beautiful tropical rainforest with minimal impact on the environment. Ecotourism at its best. Costa Rica is a small, mountainous country bordered to the north by Nicaragua and to the south by Panama. Costa Rica has both Pacific and Caribbean coast. Costa Rica's tropical jungles and rainforests are considered to be among the richest in the world. You can travel through lowland rainforest, cloud forest, deciduous forest, or mangrove swamp. There are also beautiful lakes and streams and waterfalls throughout Costa Rica. People in Costa Rica are very welcoming to tourists. The climate in Costa Rica is lush, warm, and occasionally wet. Booking with Green Journeys will help you find the most beautiful lodges where you and your family could stay, which is located in perfect locations for your adventure in Costa Rica. The most popular lodge we book is called the Pequar Jungle Lodge. Their goal is to create a place where people can enjoy nature while respecting and protecting the environment. Let us help you discover the beauty of Costa Rica by all our tours and activities. Adventure seekers in Costa Rica can fly through tropical rainforest on canopy zip lines, relaxing gliding gondolas on the aerial tram. Steaming volcanoes, surf giant waves, and dive with whales and dolphins, all in the course of a typical day or two. Costa Rica is home to 205 mammal species, 850 species of birds, and 1,000 species of butterflies live in Costa Rica. Over 9,000 identified species of vascular plants, including over 900 different species of trees, and more are being described each year. Costa Rica is the most attractive tropical travel destination in Central America. Known mammals found in Costa Rica include howler monkeys, the jaguar, and three-toed sloth. The birding in Costa Rica is excellent. There are 850 species of birds here, one of which is the scarlet macaw. There are around 150 species of amphibians and more than 200 species of reptiles found in the country. We have helped thousands of people plan their vacations to Costa Rica for many years now. We have helped to plan your whole trip in an easy and non-stressful manner. If you book your trip with us, 10% of the price will be donated to the protection of the rainforest. So please call Green Journeys 1-800-555